In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can change your Samsung keyboard. If you are struggling to change your Samsung keyboard to a different color, don't worry, I got you. Just go into settings and scroll all the way down to access General Management, where in my experience our Samsung keyboard settings are located. So let's tap on General Management here, and then select Samsung keyboard settings right away. Now you need to scroll and click on Theme section. Finally, apply the best one for you by clicking on it and go back. So when I do that, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!